Welcome back, and today we're gonna work on a Ferrari F12 Superfast 2018. I didn't see the car yet. I'm going to see, they just delivered it last night, so I'm gonna see what is going on, what the damage, because I didn't see it in person. After that, we're gonna work on this Lamborghini Aventador. This is the same Aventador we received like 2 years ago. Guys, this car has been smashed like till here, like completely destroyed, roll over. So that's how it looks like right now, because when I have a good mood, I'm working on this car temporarily. So I'm gonna put it back together. Car starts drivable like you see on the video. So I'm gonna continue work on this car in the next video. So let's go. I'm gonna show you the Ferrari. Let's see what is there. Hey, by the way, guys, this Ferrari, it's water flood, and whatever has happened is happened. I'm gonna tell the story. Something happened bad, and this car has been on a second accident, and we take care of the gearbox. We take care of gearbox not because of the accident, because of the flood. We find it something and we fix it. I'll show you later. This video also coming up pretty soon. You're gonna see it's pretty interesting and pretty messy looks like right now, but I'll show you guys all details later on. Hey, do you like my it's like bank, you know? Did you see how many locks? Wow, she look beautiful. Looks a little bit worse than I thought. Oh my goodness. So messy. Okay, good. This car has suspension lift. I hope the frame is alright. Oh man. Oh, this is the ground. Okay. I have to put it back because we're gonna try to start the car. Okay, guys. Front looks a little bit worse than I thought. Seriously. So on the picture it looks better. Okay, I did temporary, I put in temporary ground. I'm gonna try to start the car, see what happened, you know? Wow, whole side is messed up. So fender, door, side skirt. Oh my goodness. A little bit mess over here. Come check it out. Some harness, some oil. Wow. I didn't see this. When you buy car from auction, sometimes it's like extra damage, you know, like this car has. This is extra. This is, we didn't see it. It's like, it's called undercarriage. I don't know if they put in undercarriage or not, but it's a little bit extra. This one, I think I saw airbag. This quarter panel is good. Right here in the back, whole suspension messed up. Looks like whole suspension need new. Even the brake caliper, everything. Brake rotor, everything is messed up. Fender liner need new. Rear bumper. Yeah, it's like more damage than on the pictures, on the auction. New harness. Tail light is good. Rear rear not bad. A little bit over here. This is fixable. Exhaust is alright. Rear diffuser. Let me see inside. Oh, the door need to fix or adjust because of the damage. It's messed up a little bit. Oh, it's beautiful interior, guys. Look at this. JBL surround system. Wow, this car is beautiful. Bucket seats, like it's each seat is like used to be 25,000. Right now, if you buy from the dealers, like 30,000 each seat. Oh, this one good is here because this has all options. Look at this. This is all options through the VIN number. This is last 6 digit on the VIN. Yeah, 6 or 7 or 8. 1, 2, yeah, 6. Carbon driver, blah blah blah, dash, blah blah blah. Okay, we'll check later. What is this? Okay, this is VIN number. Airbags deployed, all of them. 1, 2, 3. Even seat belt is bad also. Interior looks like 1 million looks. I like it. I have a key, but for some reason it doesn't work. We'll see. Let me see if this key from this car. See, I closed the door. Doesn't close. Okay. Oh, this side also damaged, bro. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow, they tried to put in there zip tight. Everything is messed up, so need whole new bumper completely. What about this side? New fender liner. Wheel is alright, looks like, but for some reason it's empty. I'll check, maybe inside is damaged, maybe not. Alright, right here a little bit damaged. We're gonna call the guy, he gonna pull up like dent remover. He gonna pull up. The roof is good. Everything else looks good. Let me see in the trunk. Oh, it's locked. It's locked. Okay. Let me check under, under the trunk. Oh yeah, battery dead. That's why it won't work. Bro, this car is sick, bro. This car looks rich. No, under the hood is not bad. I like it. How about under the bumper? Oh, it's like arm controls is bad. I'm gonna look for parts, guys. If anybody has parts for 812 Superfast, we need a front bumper. We need the headlight one side. We need a fender. We need a wheel. We need the suspension. We need the airbags. Whatever you guys have, you can DM me on my Instagram. It's real.life.exotics. But I'm not really happy. I thought it's gonna be less damage. Like on the pictures, I'm not really happy. We're gonna try to start the car. Okay, look, it's only 3.9, bro. Battery is dead. Okay. Still doesn't work. What a flip. Oh yeah, it's working. It's gonna be for memories. No, under the trunk, everything looks right. This car has a lot of options. Everywhere is sway. That's really good. This has a bunch of options with interior, like interior is carbon fiber, driver's on carbon fiber, steering wheel with LEDs, carbon fiber. It's pretty nice. Let me try to start the car. All right. Okay, guys. After accident, every car has button, fuel release button. It's under the seat. Okay, it works. It's over here. So it's pretty simple. Now it's gonna start 99%, maybe 100. Magic, magic. It's perfect. Let me see if it's drivable. No, oh, I have to close the hood. Whoa! Whoa! Good, guys, no check engine lights, everything's perfect. But reason why I wanna run it, because I think it's low, might be slow oil. So I'm gonna double check oil. I'm gonna start the car and a really quick run and double check oil. It's a bad, like something leaking oil over here, so I'm gonna check later on what is going on. Oil looks clean. Somebody replaced the oil. Somebody just did a service on it because oil is new. So I'm gonna, wow, it's a lot of oil. I'm gonna ask them to clean up a little bit. It's like, look at this, is coming and coming. I have feeling because I saw old oil here. It's bad. I have to clean up as soon as possible. Паш! Чувак, ну ты довольный, что мы начали? Давай, снимай. Man, it's way too much. I have like some special stuff, so Pasha gonna clean up. And because I don't wanna clean up, this is not my job, you know. I'm right or not, bro?
Yes.
I'm always right. But I'm glad car starts, engine is perfect, because sometimes like oil come out and people in the action, they just start the car, they running, they don't care, and they see it's Ferrari, they know they're not gonna buy it, and they just run and kill the engine and just leave, you know. And some people like me, normal people, receive the car and engine damage. You know how much is engine? I think 50K, maybe more, 60. A12 Superfast, pretty pricey, and it's hard to find it. It's not F12, it's A12, different. Этот порог, просто отломай его. Давай, снимай, да ты снимай. В бок тащи его. Окей. Guys, I have a hair appointment right now, so I'm going to see my barber, and after that I come back and gonna work on a Ferrari A12 Superfast. I need 1 more hour. I'm gonna be at barber shop, and after that I'm gonna work on. After that I'm gonna take some lunch, and I'm gonna work on a Ferrari F12 Superfast. I have actually a bunch of work at my shop, but I wanna finish, like maybe I'm gonna install suspension today, and I tell already my guy to work on what they call, to take care of the dashboard. So I'm here, let's go. So what's up, guys? So my barber, he's busy right now a little bit because he's doing somebody else, and I'm with my new guy. He's my new editor. His name is Vadim, but he's like just call me V. I'm like, whatever, I call you Yo. I'm gonna call him Yo. So we're gonna get some food in a little bit, and then come back to the shop and work on a new project. Looks good, I like it. I'm happy. Yeah, thanks, man.
Main, tap in, main Vision Exotics.
Yeah.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk. Gotta keep quiet, maneuver in silence, then let them in, chalk up their body. Another one body, that's just how it go. I got some secrets, I'm shaking the game so they stay on their toes. Stay in your lane, how to stay on the go. I came to play with the pros and act like a rookie, so they overlook me. Then I double up again, none of their knows. None of them cold, they just got lucky but never adapted. So I'm to the one if it's coming to blows. My enemies cutting it close. I let them think that they got me, but what do you know? I had them beat before we ever spoke. I'm ready for smoke. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where. I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now they ain't go harder than me, they need a blade and a sheath, a shank and a piece, a crate full of heat, an army, a fleet, a tank and a jeep, a navy at sea, with ace a marine, an ace up they sleeve, a team of marines, a freak on a leash, a beast with an appetite, razor for teeth, and still they would lay at my feet. Boy, you got the wrong one. I gotta look over all of my publishing statements for Q1 as soon as the song's done. I gotta call up my mama and tell her I made it as soon as my log's done. I gotta read all my trade publications and sip my tea till it is all done. I think it's all fun. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything.
So guys, we just put in the car in the shop, and we put in 2 wheels temporarily to move the car in the shop because all suspension messed up, wheels is messed up. Next video, next episode, we're gonna take apart the car, and this video is coming up tonight, so stay tuned. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.